Mr. Reviewsalot here with another fine product that we just picked up from Amazon, and this is the Amazon Basics. It's a water filter. Now we have a refrigerator from Samsung brand. I'm actually going to show it to you here, and on this site you can see a few specs about it, but this is the refrigerator that we have, and it was time for a new water filter. So I found an Amazon Basics product that I wanted to compare what I can find as far as the price point and value goes, as well as the quality. So if you do a search on Amazon.com and you look for Samsung refrigerator water filter, a variety of products show up with different brands, etc. Here's the Samsung one listed here for $50 with free shipping. That's outstanding, right? Well, here it is. That's the product that we're looking for. That is the branded one. However, Amazon Basics has one as well. So what are some specs between the two that would make such a difference? Amazon Basics is offering their product for only $20 or $19.95 or something. We'll pull it up here in a moment. Here it is, $19.99. Here's the Amazon Basics, right? So Samsung's gives you, for example, this NSF rating of 42. They have a little chart down here that tells you their ratings. What is NSF? NSF International is an organization that rates. It's a not-for-profit governmental organization or non-governmental organization that dedicates to public health and safety, and they give us these different ratings: NSF 42, 53, and 401. The Samsung products are in the 42 and 53 range, and so this Amazon Basics product, this one that I found over here, the advanced filtration, they have standard, advanced, and premium. Well, the advanced one has the same specifications as the Samsung product. I can scroll down here. We can take a look to 53 and 42 certified, as well as whatever 372 is. And then they actually have another version of this water filter, the premium one, which has a different rating: standard, advanced, and premium. You see NSF 401. So the only difference is between the advanced water filter here, the Amazon Basics advanced product. It's also 0.5 microns of filtration in a lifetime of about 300 gallons or 6 months. 300 gallons or 6 months are all the exact same specifications as the Samsung branded product at less than half the price. Samsung at the time of this recording is at $49.99 plus free shipping, and Amazon Basics is running at $19.99 and free shipping. So what do you get with this free shipping? Well, it comes in this cool little box here. Let me pull this up so you can see it again. And this is the box that shows up at your doorstep. I got this inside a slightly larger box, and you open it up and boom, we have some booklet that nobody ever looks at, and here's our water filter, right? It's the same size and about the weight, the same weight as an empty Samsung product. So I made a little split down here just so I can open this up. It also has a little cap on the top, just like how the Samsung product comes. So this little seal is what we'll break open, and I'm going to go put this in my refrigerator. I'll show you how it looks. I don't know if you can tell, but on the bottom of this, it has the same little locking piece, just like the Samsung product does. Right, so it looks pretty much like the exact same thing. Here's the information about NSF. You can go to nsf.org and learn a little bit about them if you'd like to understand more about the filtration ratings that are available. But the point is that this is the exact same as the products that are available through the Amazon branded stuff. So I looked online. I went actually to Home Depot to try to figure out where this information, some information is on how to swap my filter out, and why exactly Samsung is requiring their own brand of filter. Why can't I use another one, right? This is the maintenance guide that I found for my refrigerator. Of course, Samsung says don't use third-party water filters, only Samsung provided or approved filters, and that they could cause leaks and damage and all this other stuff. You know what? I'm gonna go try it on my refrigerator and let's see how this works. Welcome to my kitchen. This is our refrigerator. Don't be fooled by how clean it looks. I did this just for the video. We have kids in the house, so usually this is covered in smears and handprints and milk and all kinds of stuff. But here's our product that we ordered, right? It's only $19.99. Let's see if it works. So let's take a quick look inside and make sure that this is the same shape and size as our Samsung branded filter. So here, right around the middle, just like our instructional book showed, we have a locking mechanism, right? So we're gonna, all this says is to rotate to unlock. Too easy, let's try it out. Simple, I don't need any tools. I'm gonna pull this out. Here we have Samsung water filter and Amazon Basics water filter, the exact same size. It looks similar. So let's take a look at ours and make sure once that cap is off, everything should fit inside the same hole. Don't forget, this actually pours water out. Whoop. So let's just keep it over a paper towel or something. Let's remove this little cap. It looks like it's just a twist off. There it goes. I'll let my kids pick that up. We're going to turn this in. It looks like we kind of go at a side, turn this left and right so it's horizontal. We're going to push this straight in. And locked in. Let's take a look. So don't forget, once you're done, you need to run water for a little while to make sure that the filter runs at least the initial amount of, like, I don't know, carbon and filtration stuff. It says to just run it for 7 minutes. I'd rather just run it for like a gallon or two and we're good to go. So you just grab the nearest bucket you can find, stick it under here, drain some of that water out. It doesn't seem to be having any more air bubbles in it. So I'm going to let this run for a while and fill up 1 or 2 of these. After you remove a couple of gallons of water and there's no more air bubbles, then you know the rest of the filter has been cleared out as well as the water line. We did it for far cheaper than using Samsung branded product. The next thing to do is to go over to your screen over here. We're going to go to the apps. Okay, you should have an icon on your home screen that has apps. So we're going to click on these apps, and the app that we're looking for is the Fridge Manager right here. Let's go here. Just hit open. This tells us a bunch of settings about our refrigerator. However, we want to go to the fridge settings menu down here at the bottom. And this will tell us a bunch of things about our ice maker, our dispensers, and unit temperatures, like if we want to do this in Celsius versus Fahrenheit. What we're looking for right here is our water filter. This, on mine, the filter needs replacement. Well, good news, we just added a brand new filter for less than half the price in Samsung's product. Last installed was in July of 2018. This is actually when we bought the refrigerator. So we're going to hit that reset button. Last change date will be reset today's date. Proceed. Today's February 1st, 2019. We've just saved a whole bunch of money by using Amazon Basics. Installing a water filter on today's modern refrigerators is such a breeze. The Samsung branded water filter compared to the Amazon Basics product, the exact same filtration standards, and Amazon Basics is at less than half the price. This is a great product in my book. Don't forget to click the link below, like and subscribe if you enjoy content like this, and I need to get this thing out of here before it continues to drip all over the place. Thanks for watching.